As a surfer and someone who spends a lot of time outside, immersed in the natural environment, I'm really keen to try and keep my environmental impact to a minimum. And I apply that same philosophy when it comes to developing the boards and the other products that we manufacture here in Wellington.
I think inherently surfers are pretty in tune with the environment just because of the amount of time they spend immersed in it. Some of the activity that's happening on land can really tarnish the experience of surfing and take away from that kind of naturally immersive experience.
So as a small business, it's obviously really easy for us to be flexible and incorporate sustainable practices in our business, change materials out. I can imagine it'd be really hard for large companies such as the likes of Bosch, because they're such a huge company, to change their ways and reduce their environmental impact. But it's really inspiring when you hear about, these massive companies who are producing thousands of products every day, actually making a serious effort to reduce their environmental impact and focus on sustainability.
A lot of businesses, when they talk about sustainability, they use the words responsibility. But I think now, and as we move into the future, it's probably more of like an opportunity than it is a responsibility. The amount of people who are actively looking to support businesses who are low or no environmental impact is, constantly growing. And it'd be kind of crazy not to, change your ways if you were currently making products in a way that was not sustainable.
Developing this relationship with Bosch, that's really inspired me to look for further collaborations that we can do in the future and dig a little deeper into the companies that we work with and learn more about what they're doing to reduce their environmental impact.